Class 8 Tribals, Digus, and the Vision of the Golden Age. Question number 1. Name the tribe of Birsa. Answer Munda. Question number 2. Who were Mundas? Answer Mundas was a tribal group that lived in Chota Nagpur. Question number 3. Birsa belongs to which village and state? Answer Birsa belongs to village of Chota Nagpur in Bihar. Question number 4. When and where revolt of Songram Sangma took place? Answer the revolt of Songram Sangma took place in 1906 in Assam. Question number 5. Name the place where Gond people used to live. Answer Gond people used to live in the forest of Orissa. Question number 6. Why did the British reserve the forest of India? Answer the British reserved the forest of India to procure timber. Question number 7. What does Vaishnava mean? Answer Vaishnava means worshipper of Lord Vishnu. Question number 8. When did Birsa Munda died and how? Answer in 1900 Birsa died of cholera. Question number 9. What is the other name of Jhum cultivation? Answer the other name of Jhum cultivation is shifting cultivation. Question number 10. When and where was the forest satyagraha happened? Answer the forest satyagraha happened in 1930 in the central provinces. Question number 11. It was below the dignity of which tribe to become a laborer? Answer. It was below the dignity of Baika to become a laborer. Question number 12. What was the color of the flag raised by Mundas as symbol of Birsa Raj? Answer. They raised the white flag as a symbol of Birsa Raj. Question number 13. Name the leaves used for making plates by Dongriya Kandwa women of Orissa. Answer Banduvana leaves. Question number 14. In which area the Sandals read the Kuguns? Answer Azirabad in present day Jharkhand was an area where the Sandals read the Kuguns. Question number 15. What is a fallow field? Answer fallow field is a field left uncultivated for a while so that the soil recovers fertility. Question number 16. Why did the British introduce land settlement? Answer. The British introduced the land settlement because they wanted regular revenue source for the state. Question number 17. Why were some forests classified as a reserved forest by the British? Answer. Some forests were classified as a reserved forest for they produced timber which the British wanted. Question number 18. Who were the outsider being referred to as Diggers? Question number 20. Why did Forest Department establish forest villages in many regions? Answer. Forest Department established forest villages in many regions to ensure a regular supply of cheap labor. Question number 21. What did people say about Birsa Munda? Answer. People said he had miraculous powers. He could cure all disease and multiply grain. Question number 22. Which tribal groups moved with their herds of cattle or sheep according to the season? Answer. They were pastoralists who moved with their herds of cattle or sheep according to the season. Question number 22. Name the revolts that took place against the colonial forest law. Answer. The revolt of Songram Sangma in 1906 in Assam and the forest satyagraha of 1930 in central provinces. Question number 23. Who was Birsa Munda? Birsa Munda was born in the mid 1870s, the son of poor father. He grew up around the forest of Bohanda grazing sheep, playing the flute, and dancing in the local akara. Question number 24. Why British allowed Jhum cultivation in the reserve forest? Answer. British allows them to cultivate land on the condition that those who lived in the villages would have to provide labor to the forest department and look after the forest. Question number 25. Which tribal group was reluctant to work for others and why? Answer. Baigaus of central India were reluctant to work for others. The Baigaus saw themselves as a people of forest who could only live on the produce of the forest. It was below the dignity of Baiga to become a laborer. Question number 26. What problem did Birsa set out to resolve? Answer. The problem Birsa set out to resolve were 1. Their familiar ways of life seemed to be disappearing. 2. Their livelihoods were under threat. 3. Their religion appeared to be in danger. Question number 27. Why did the British want to tribal groups to settle down and become peasant cultivators? Answer. British wanted to tribal groups to settle down and become peasant cultivators because settled peasants were easier to control and administer than people who were always on the move. Question number 28. State the 5 tribes found in India. Write the names of Indian state where maximum tribes are found. Answer. The Van Gujars of the Punjab Hills, the Labadis of Andhra Pradesh, the Gadis of Kulu, the Bagarwals of Kashmir, and Sandals of Azirabad in present-day Jharkhand. Question number 29. How did British officials see settled tribes, groups, and those who lived in the forest? Answer. The British officials saw settled tribal groups like the Gonds of Sandals as more civilized than hunter-gatherers or shifting cultivators. Those who lived in the forest were considered to be wild and savage. They needed to be settled and civilized. Question number 30. What accounts for the anger of the tribal against the Dugus? Answer. The following fact accounts for their anger against the Dugus. The land policy of British were destroying their traditional land system. 2. Hindu landlords and moneylenders were taking over their land. 3. Missionaries were criticizing their traditional culture.